Chances are, if you have clicked on this video, that you are experiencing some wrist or hand pain. Now, lots of yoga sequences can be a little bit inaccessible if we're feeling pain in the wrists and the hands, whether this is an injury or whether it's something that you are dealing with more long term, like arthritis or something. But that doesn't mean that you can't practice yoga. This simple sequence is designed to help us flow through some of the familiar moves, find space in the body, using the breath, everything, all the good stuff that comes with yoga, but free with the wrists, free of the wrists. So join me, my name is Carrie, and I'm really glad that you have clicked on this video today. Take your time here to stand up. Make sure your feet are nice and comfortable here and you have a long spine. Roll through the shoulders, maybe shaking through the hands and perhaps just giving the wrists a few circles if that feels nice, but don't go too much if that doesn't feel good. Letting the palms rest there, forward, and your gaze be steady as you take a big breath in and then a long breath out. A couple more times just like that, breathing in to fill up and exhale to release. One more time. Good. On your next breath in now, raise both of your arms up. Stretch out of the body, lift tall. And as you exhale, turn your palms and slowly lower your arms down, maybe giving those shoulders a little roll when you get here. Go again, just like this, maybe lifting the heels this time if it feels fine. Reach tall. And exhale, gently lower the heels, lower the arms. We're going to do one more and we'll hold for a few breaths here. So as you breathe in, reach just a little bit taller, stretching out your whole body now. And then when you're ready, turn the palms out and exhale gently down towards the ground. Give the shoulders a little roll. And then we're going to have the feet no more than hip distance apart. As you breathe in, reach up through the arms. Lean back a little time here, opening the belly and the chest. And as you exhale, dive all the way forward. Reach the hands back behind you like the wings of a bird. Head and neck heavy here. Breathing in, bend into the knees, lift up, open belly, open chest. And exhale, fold forward. We'll do one more just like this, breathing in, lifting up. And exhale gently, all the way forward, really nice. This time as we breathe in, keep that nice bend in the knees and exhale, sitting into your chair. Turn your hands so your little fingers are spiraling in towards each other. And as you breathe, lift through the arms, lift through the chest. And as you exhale, sink a little low into your chair. 2 more breaths, inhale to fill up. And exhale, easy down, one more. And this time as you exhale, sweep the arms back behind you, squeezing those shoulder blades together. Sit a little bit lower. Stay as you are, or if it feels okay to lift your heels, go ahead. See if you can lift yourself really high onto those tiptoes. As you do, sit the hips just a little lower, strong through your thighs, reach through your arms. Well done. And then when you're ready, breathing in, sweep the arms all the way up. If you can, keep lifting here through the heels. Stretch tall through the whole body. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Heels down, arms down beside the body, palms facing forward. Maybe close your eyes now. Take a breath. Whole body warming up. Noticing how shoulders and arms are also engaged, even though we're practicing without our wrists. Good. When you're ready, step the feet a little bit close together. Breathe in, lift up through the left leg, flexing the foot. Take a breath here, maybe giving your ankles some little circles one way and the other. And then step that foot really wide. Maybe stepping both feet out now, turn the left toes out so they are facing away from you and the right foot comes in. As you breathe in, stretch up through your arms, through your legs, nice and tall. And as you exhale, bend into your knee, arms open wide, gazing over those front fingers. Breathe in, take up all the space. Breathe out gently. Getting into the hips a little bit now, breathing and lift up. And exhale, nice and easy, all the way down, looking out over those front fingers. Good, when you're ready. Turn your front palm to the sky, bring your back hand towards the back leg, lean up and over. And then bring yourself all the way back to the center. Now bending your left arm, bring it around the back or just to rest on the lower back as your right arm reaches. Back to the center here, taking your time, arms extend wide. Inhale everything to the center, nice big star pose, feet parallel, stretch through the arms. Then turn the heels in, and as you exhale, soften in for your goddess. Breathe and lift up. Breathe out gently, all the way down. One more here, big lift. And exhale softly. Stay as you are, or maybe try lifting one heel, maybe the other. Sink just a little bit lower. Well done, lower the heels down, breathe in, lift up. Turning your right foot out now, left foot in, and exhale gently, warrior two. Seeing how things feel on this side. Follow your breath. Sinking into those hips. Good, all the way out. Breathing steady, one more round. And then exhale gently in. Flip your palm to the sky, backhand onto the leg, lean up and over. And then coming back through your warrior two, stretch out through the arms. Bend the right arm, bring it back behind you as you lean over with this left. All the way back to the center now, feet parallel. Breathe in, stretch up through both of your arms. And as you breathe out, fold all the way forward. Head and neck nice and heavy. One more breath here. And as you slowly roll all the way back up, heel toe those feet back together. Pressing into the left foot, lift the right knee, flex the toes. Breathe steady. And exhale, step that foot wide. Repeating on the other side, left foot, right foot turns in, left foot turns left foot, right foot turns out, left foot turns in. Breathe and lift up. Breathe out, easy down. You can hold on nice and steady now, building some strength. Or you can flow a little bit here, nice and dynamic, up to you. Good, exhale, easy, and reverse. And over to the side, this time maybe straightening the front leg, fingertips down. Triangle, breathe and lift up. Both heels and arms high, exhale. Goddess pose, inhale, lift. Exhale, easy down. Option to lift those heels. Good, lower the heels down. Let's spin to the other side, warrior two. Breathe in, lift. Breathe out all the way down. And breathe in, lift. Exhale, nice and easy. Take it back, reverse. And then all the way over. This time maybe for side angle or maybe for triangle pose. Beautiful. Lift everything up. Turn the feet parallel, stretch taut. And exhale, fold. Roll yourself all the way to stand. Bring those feet in. Press into the right foot. Lift the left knee. Stay as you are. Or reach the arms up. Reach the foot out, coming into this nice starfish stretch. Good, other side. Right foot, left foot down, right knee lifts. Stay here or stretch it out. Beautiful, everybody. Bring that foot down. Take your time. Give your shoulders a little roll, your hands a little shake. And let's rest now. Palms forward. Eyes open or closed. Take a few moments to notice how you are feeling. And there you have it. A nice energizing routine that's working from the feet all the way to the fingertips, strong in the hips, the spine, the chest, the belly. All of the things have been exercised and worked, connecting with the breath to help us feel calm. But the wrists are free to do what they want, free to feel how they feel. So let me know if you enjoyed this, if you'd like some more practices like this. We could do one on the ground if you like. And I wish you gentle wrists, speedy recovery if there's injury there. And join me for some more yoga anytime. See you soon.